Hi, I'm Matt Sharp and I'm Service Contract Manager. Here are a few tips for installing the plastic seats on our table units. If after this video you have an issue with putting them on, please don't hesitate to call Palmer Hamilton or speak to Katie in our warranty department to go over a few tips and tricks. On the arrival of your delivery, in the box of seats you'll have a bag of screws and the instructions on how to put this together. Remove the screws from the bag. You'll need a 3/8 drill bit, as previously mentioned. Take out one of the seats. The easiest way to do it would be to start initially in the hole, just to get it going. You won't need much at all. Do that for 2 of the screws. All right. They will arrive, or should arrive, or there's cardboard around the seat plates. Take that off, dispose of it correctly. There'll be 2 slots in there. You need to cup that over so the seat will go on, and that holds it in place for now. So you can either tighten the existing ones up or use one of the empty holes and screw into it. Now, I'm using torque setting 4 on this drill. That way it doesn't spin these and it does not over torque it, which means there's no grip in the seat. And that is one seat installed, secure. If it's loose, torque it up just a little bit more. Again, cannot stress, do not over torque because the seat will pull the plastic out with the screws. Torque setting 4 on your drill using a 3/8 drill bit, good to go.